Are you looking to build credibility and professionally showcase your business, partner, sponsor, or client logos on your website? The Logo Gallery app by Market Push Apps makes it simple to display logos in a professional and visually appealing way. It's the perfect solution to elevate your site's design and boost trust and engagement. The app is available in the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app to your Wix site is quick and easy. Go to the App Market and search for Logo Gallery. Click Add to Site. Once installed, add the widget via the Add Elements menu by dragging it to your desired location. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. Next, we will need to click on the Logo Gallery widget settings. Here, we can select between 10 different beautifully designed templates to match your site design. We can also change the filtering type, more on that later. To manage the logos in the widget, we will need to utilize the Content Management System, or CMS for short, by clicking here. If this is the first time using the CMS, you will see this menu instead. Simply click on Start Now, and you will see this same menu after. Click on your collections, and then the Logo collection. Here you will find two columns. The first is the list ID, and the second is the logo. In the logo column, each cell holds one logo. You can change the image by clicking here. You can either add the image as a URL or add it from your Wix media library. You can upload images from your device. In the list ID, you can use numbers to differentiate different lists. Let us give this logo number 1 in the list. Let's change a few more logos. Going back to the editor, let us open the Logo Gallery widget settings again. Here we can use the list ID to choose which logos will be displayed. This enables us to use the widget multiple times while selecting different logos for each one. Do not forget to refresh the widget to apply the latest changes. The widget design can also be customized to further blend with your site design. Once you've finished editing the widget, do not forget to save and publish to preserve your editing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.